ya Iran aiga sense ya Kenya niko baesokire ritko ria rero na kurwe nkwana yabase bamochiri kiseye kigendrete asense ya Iran kubwatekana n'obosagani kurwase enseria ya Amerika bakubwaterana n'ense ya Israel korengana no mubalozi wense ya Iran aiga sense ya Kenya niko bona atebire serikali ense ya Iran niko hegendrete kubwaterana negati yechinse chinde bunenchire muyogo chakonekia omurembe nkwirane rwore asebona bamochiri ense ya Amerika niri ya Israel asobosagana ense yo asebayenekire buna chinkwana chomurembe na kira chekonekia obotwereru asensemeria ya Middle East tumurikito linet nyambane nwarenga asensemeyo robotirwa ya senchire wikira.
And what makes this betrayal even more bitter is this attack occurred precisely at a time when the Islamic Republic of Iran was actively and genuinely engaged in a diplomatic process with the United States.
Gukwana nabariki ba amangana amaya kurwa ase chobisi chiense ya Iran ensemo ya Westlands omocho Nairobi nomubalozi bwense ya Iran Dr. Hali Golamba ase aene kribuna ense ya Iran Tegochia wakana egesiomba asense ya Kenya ase ngencho tiye bwateraneti asobosagani bwense ya Iran.
Our missiles will not reach to the Kenyan territory. This is good news because you know, our government has deliberately, in order to show its intention, of peaceful intention to the world, that this missiles capacity is only for defensive purposes. They have intentionally limited the range of missiles to maximum 2,000 kilometers, only for defensive purposes. And no, we absolutely, I don't think that we will, because you know, the great people and the government of Kenya, we have had long historical friendly amicable relations, and we do our best to preserve that relation.
Enkwana ya balozi Ali nigo yachire amatukabere maiga yense ya Amerika na Israel kubwaterana gusagana ense ya Iran na kumuita omurai bwense yo hamene hayatola asekeri bagoteba nigo abwato bugambi bwege kuba engana Ali amereri na goteba nigere mamincha yeri chikorikora chinse cheisko.
This is not merely an act of aggression. It is a flagrant violation of Article 2(4) of the Charter of the United Nations and a grave threat to international peace and security. The timing of this attack reveals the moral bankruptcy of the aggressors to strike during Ramadan, a month of peace, reflection, and prayer, and on the eve of Nowruz, when Iranian families prepare to welcome a new year, demonstrates that the United States and the Zionist regime respect no sanctity, no law, and no human value.
Omubalozi ibono omochirie chinse cha Amerika na Israel na goteba ense ya Iran Tegochia gukira goika echikwerwanirira ase omorero oyo ense ya Amerika na Israel bogetie.
We entered negotiations in good faith, not because we trusted them, but to prove the righteousness of the Iranian nation and to leave no pretext for aggression. And how were we answered? With bombs, with missiles, and with the blood of our leader. This is the true nature of the United States and its unfaithful child, the Zionist regime. They speak of diplomacy while they plan murder. To the United States and the Israeli regime, I say, you shall bear full and direct responsibility for all ensuing consequences. You have opened a door that you cannot close.
Nonya nabo nigo aruro kuboria gochia ase abarai bechinse cheisiko bakorigereria oborendi kubwatera engane ikoboko na kwena kya Tegochia kwena kiwa ase chinse chinde.
Today it is Iran, tomorrow it could be any of you. To the United Nations Security Council, I demand, convene immediately, take binding action, halt this aggression, uphold your own charter before it becomes a worthless document. And to my people, the noble, resilient, and proud people of Iran, I say our leader has fallen, but our leadership lives on. Our path is clear, our cause is just, and our response will be firm, decisive, and one that will make the aggressors regret the day they dared to strike and land of Cyrus and the heirs of Imam Hussein alayhi salam.
Godpoteria en Soko TV, Erietariane Linet Nyambane.